right, everyone. So welcome. Let's understand some of these terminologies and all the different pieces involved under PCI DSS. Okay, so we have the bespoke and custom software PCI DSS compliant. First, what is bespoke and custom software? It says this refers to software that is specifically developed for a particular organization or use case. A may involve system developed in-house. Organization decided to do theirs in-house or by third-party vendors tailored to meet their unique need of the business, right? First, in scope or bespoke or custom software that as far as it stores, it processes, it transmits cardholder data, or could also potentially impact the security of cardholder data, should be in scope and must be in compliance with PCI DSS. For example, say if an organization develop its own payment processing system, like US was like, you know what, at the end of the day, we want to develop ours, right? Where we'll be collecting your payments and all those things, then we can make sure it's in scope. Handles credit card, it must be included in the PCI DSS assessment. This is because it processes and stores cardholder data, which directly impact the security of sensitive information. So I believe we are realizing why, we are touching all these other aspects as far as it has to do with the processing storage or even have a potential impact of that cardholder data and its environment. By default, it has to be in scope and it has to be in compliance with PCI DSS. Let's say meeting PCI DSS requirement. First, for bespoke software to support PCI DSS requirement, it must be developed and maintained in accordance with the PCI DSS security software security framework standards, right? And we said even though it must have gone through the validation processes, doesn't automatically make it compliant with PCI DSS. What happened to the configuration and implementation settings, right? A standard that focuses on integrating secure development practices into software development process known as secure software standards. We also have secure software lifecycle standard that focuses on ensuring that secure right? So we said the secure software lifecycle focuses on ensuring that secure practices are embedded throughout the entire software development lifecycle from the design phase, deployment, testing, and so on, maintenance, right? And security, actually, requirement 6 of the PCI DSS actually elaborated on this, where it's all about developing and maintaining secure system and applications. So for bespoke or custom software, requirement 6 applies directly to how the software is developed and maintained to prevent security vulnerabilities. Do you guys see? That's why you need to understand it, because you can't just go to the controls themselves and the requirement without you even having a background knowledge on this as to what it entails, correct? Example of custom or bespoke software development under the PCI DSS compliance. First, we have custom payment software. A company builds their own custom software system to handle customer payment, right? If the software store processes or transmits cardholder data, the development process must incorporate secure software practices to meet PCI DSS standards. Secure software practices, secure coding practices, vulnerability scanning, encryption for sensitive data must be applied also. In-house development e-commerce platform. An online retailer create a custom e-commerce platform that handle credit cards payment. To comply with PCI DSS, the platform must meet the secure software standard and undergo regular security testing. I hope these are all clear. Then entity responsible for custom software. So this, I'm going to put an end to this video as a short one and then create a video for these different entities. I'll see you all in the next video, and do not forget to like, comment, share, put your questions in the comments section, and I'll be more than willing to address it. I'll see you all in the next